Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook summer sausage in the oven. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure it is perfectly ready. Next, slice your summer sausage into uniform rounds, aiming for about 1/2 inch thickness. This consistency helps everything cook evenly. Finally, arrange these slices in a single layer on a baking sheet, ideally lined with parchment paper for easy cleanup. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious meal. Once prepared, place your baking sheet into the preheated oven. You will bake the summer sausage for about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on your desired crispiness. Remember to flip each sausage slice halfway through the cooking process. This is essential for achieving a beautiful, even browning on both sides. This step helps develop a rich, delicious flavor and a satisfying texture throughout. To ensure your summer sausage is perfectly cooked and safe to eat, use a meat thermometer to check for an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it reaches this point, carefully remove the baking sheet from the oven. It is important to let the sausage rest for approximately 5 minutes before you begin serving. This brief resting period allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring every bite is moist and flavorful. Your perfectly cooked summer sausage is now ready to enjoy. For a simple and classic approach, serve it warm alongside an assortment of gourmet mustards and crisp crackers. It also pairs wonderfully with roasted root vegetables or a light, refreshing garden salad for a more complete meal. You can even use the slices to elevate a breakfast scramble or create a truly hearty sandwich, offering versatile and delicious options.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.